Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix our download shortcuts not working on iPhone. In the vibrant ecosystem of iOS, shortcuts have emerged as a savior for many users, enhancing efficiency and productivity. However, at times even the well-structured iPhone experience can encounter bumps. Notable instance is the our download shortcut not working issue that has been giving users a slight hiccup. Fortunately, resolving this is merely a matter of following some streamlined steps. In this video we unlock the path to restoring the functionality of your R download shortcut, paving the way for a seamless user experience. Dive in as we walk you through the quickest and easiest method to get your R download shortcut back on track, ensuring that your iPhone acts as an extension of your efficiency once more. Let's get started, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In the quest to resolve the R download shortcut not working issue on your iPhone, your first task is to acquire the Yes download shortcut. For this, start by launching your favorite browser on your iOS device. Navigate to the Share Shortcuts. Head over to the Share Shortcuts website, which is a trusted hub for a myriad of useful shortcuts. Spot the three bars icon in the upper right corner of your screen and click it to unveil a drop-down menu. Utilize the search bar available in the menu to type in Yes download and initiate the search. From the list of results, identify and select the first shortcut. Next, click on Download Shortcut to proceed. If prompt appears asking to open this page in Shortcuts, affirm by selecting Open. This section will launch your Shortcuts application seamlessly. Or you can tap on Setup Shortcut. If you don't want to share, skip Setup. A guide setting up the R download shortcut on your iPhone involves a few simple yet essential steps. There is a clear and concise guide to ensure a successful installation. Open the Shortcut app and choose the Setup Shortcut option, followed by clicking Next twice to navigate through your setup process. And you are done. During installation, you might encounter several notifications. It's vital to enable or allow these notifications to facilitate through smoothly functionality of the shortcut on your device. Occasionally, you might face difficulties in downloading the shortcut. Firstly, throw the request timeout error. In such cases, switching your network connection from Wi-Fi to cellular can potentially rectify the issue, paving the way for a successful download. By adhering to this second guide, you will all set and enjoy a seamless R download shortcut experience on your iOS device, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix R download shortcut not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.